bought it by mistake.
The world's 100 richest men? They're all a bunch of nerds.
Of course they are. Who do you think goes on to create wildly successful .coms, invent must-have products, and start multi-million-dollar companies?
Cool kids?
Nerds. Today's poorly dressed nerds are tomorrow's poorly dressed billionaires.
I want to meet a billionaire. I need to meet a billionaire. Look how empty my jewelry locker is. I don't even know why I bother locking it.
All right, maggots, listen up. The paper airplane competition is only 3 days away. Losing is not an option. You know who loses? Losers. Who here's a loser? We have to crush Western High. We can't have another embarrassment like the robot you designed for the robot battle.
I am Durbot. Fear my unstoppable robot power. Oops. Malfunction. Malfunction.
Okay, let's see what you got. Now we're talking. You guys are pathetic.
That's why I'm here.
Ivy, what are you doing here?
Meeting a future billionaire. Hi, boys.
We're not here for fun and games. We're here to make paper airplanes.
I'll make one. I'll just start by writing the flight number here on the side, which just might happen to also be my phone number. Oops, look at clumsy me.
Ivy, we're trying to train here. You're in the way.
They don't seem to mind.
They don't seem to care.
Everything okay, Ivy?
No, I just flirted with a bunch of nerds and not one of